Today we are looking at this Kalamera 15-in-1 oven. It has a lot of functions, over 15, but we're not going to go over all of these functions in this video. My overview impression is that everybody in the family likes it. No complaint, no issues whatsoever. One of the most annoying thing is that this thing beeps very loud. Whatever dial you rotate, whatever button you press, it will beep extremely loud. And whenever it's done, it beeps just as loud. Even though the oven is on the first floor, myself, I can hear it all the way on the fourth floor. In this video, we're going to solve that problem. First, flip it over. You'll see 4 rubber legs. There's a cover for it. Just pop the cover out for the legs, and then you'll see the screw. Release all of these 4 screws down the bottom. Next, look in the back side. You'll see more screw. Unscrew all of these. Gently slide the cover off. After you slide the cover off, pay attention to the top front side. You'll see the circuit board. There's about 12 screws holding this motherboard in place. 6 on the left side, 6 on the right side. Go ahead and release them all. In this angle, you'll see that the speaker circular dial is located behind the rotary encoder of the right hand side. If you're looking at it from the back, then it will be on your left hand side. Pull the rotary encoder off. Be careful, this is plastic, it's not aluminum. Since I don't have anything to desolder the speaker, I'm just going to use a regular pair of pliers. I'm going to just crush it. This is what you'll see when you crush it. The 2 contact points are still intact. That way, if you still want to add a speaker for whatever reason, then you can always add a speaker with a lower volume. Now that the speaker has been totally destroyed, you can see that I can do anything I want and it doesn't even make a beep at all. Problem solved. Now let's hope that we can put everything back together. So let's do everything in reverse. Put the circuit board, press it against the front side. Go ahead and screw all 12 screws back into place. Sliding the cover back is a little bit tricky. You'll want to align the metal case somewhere around here and then slowly push it into place towards the front side. Screw everything back into place, including the 4 down the bottom. And don't forget to use the rubber piece, the circular rubber piece, to cover up the holes to make it nice and pretty. I don't know why I have 2 extra screws. I guess I don't need them at all. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.